baseball from ZIQI Compressor. We are professional air compressor manufacturer over 60 years, located at Shanghai, China. Today, I'm glad to introduce one two-step combined air compressor to you. The two-step air compressor is ready to ship to Kenya. Okay, now let me introduce you more information about the ZIQI air compressor machine. Okay, now please our colleagues to help us open the air compressor cabinet to let us see inside. The ZIQI air compressor is GAS series and 18.5 kilowatt, 8 bar and 3 cubic minutes. ZIQI air compressor is ZIQI air compressor and air storage tank and refrigerator air dryer are precision features built in one. This is plate type refrigerator air dryer. The dryer efficiency is more better than ordinary shell tuber air dryer. 3 levels Italian technology precision features. And you can see from the ZIQI air compressor to the air tank, the pipe is Italy brand. Engineered in Italy. Manulife brand. Its leader pressure tube is manufactured in the world. And from the refrigerator dryer to the precision features is stainless material. Okay, now let us see inside of the ZIQI air compressor machine. This is the key part of ZIQI air range. As for ZIQI Compressor adopts England brand. You can see the brand is England. It's original from Germany GHH brand. Is regarded as the biggest and earliest ZIQI air range manufacturer in the world. Quality assurance. This is another key part, electric motor. As for ZIQI GAS series air compressor, adopted Brazilian WEG brand. This is WEG brand and IE4 efficiency. IE4 efficiency. Class 5 insulation, IP55 protection, and Class F insulation, Class B temperature rise. Suitable for any harsh environment, and IE4 super premium efficiency to make sure the air compressor working with more energy saving. This is the air features. ZIQI oil feature, and such as the oil tuber is Italy Manulife brand. The service time is over 5 times than ordinary. And the bigger size oil air vessel with pressure gauge oil mirror, and safety valve. A big size extra fan to make sure the air compressor working for a long time, and a section for easily to replace the belt, and the belt is GIQI OP2 belt brand, is from GIQI, quality assurance as well. This is a display, and the air compressor equipped with the frequency in water. It's not only make the air compressor with a lower current and also more energy saving. It can control the motor rotor speed is according to the compressed air consumption, so it will be more energy saving to reduce the unload time. Here are two fans for the electric cabinet. This is the controller, PLC, and the electric system with French Schneider brand. It's also a well-known brand in the world. Two tanks connected in one. To separate the water from the compressed air, and also very stable and lower vibration for the screw air compressor when working. Okay, if you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.